Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 2 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. In case you haven't done day 1 of the practice, you can always do that and then come to day 2. In today's session, we're going to be working with asanas that are going to help strengthen and stretch all the major muscle groups in our body. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel, the crown of the head, the direction of the ceiling. Breathe in. Close your eyes. Breathe out. Notice the air moving in and out of your nostril. Now bring both your hands onto your belly. Noticing the movement happening beneath your palms. On your next breath, as you breathe in, push your belly into your palms, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Bring your palms back onto your thighs. You can keep your eyes open, or you can continue to keep it closed. Now with the tip of your nose, draw small circles in the air. We're going to do 3 of them clockwise, just noticing how you feel in your neck. And anti-clockwise. And 3. Now breathe in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling, drop your head back. Breathe out, turn towards the right side. Parivritta Sukhasana. From here we're going to move to Parshava Sukhasana. Stretch right hand all the way towards the left side of the room. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your hands back. Breath in, reach your hands up, and as you breathe out, turn towards the left side. Again, breathing in, reach your hands and stretch. If holding your knee is not very comfortable, you can always drop and stretch. Bring your arms to rest on your thighs and reach there. Release. Bring your hands back. Take a deep breath in. Once again, reach your hands up, drop your head. And as you breathe out, hands come down to the side. Now we're going to swing our legs to one side. Bring our knees beneath our palms, our toes behind our knees. Again, your wrist is beneath your shoulder. Now as you breathe in, arch your back, chest, chin and gaze is forward. As you breathe out, pull your navel in around your back. Again, 2. You may want to, if you feel like you can move slightly behind, slightly forward, just arching gaze here. And round. Come back to neutral back. Back is straight here. From here, I'm going to bring my right arm next to my right ear. Engage my right toes here and bring my left heel in line with my hip. Your heel is pointing up towards the ceiling, toes towards the mat. Balance. Breathe in and out. One more breath in. Reach your right fingertips towards the front and your heel towards the back wall. And release. This time I'm going to stretch my left hand and bring my right heel in towards the ceiling, toes towards the mat, pushing my foot towards the back wall, fingers towards the front. You can keep looking at the mat. Breathe in and breathe out. Release. Now open your knees wide. Big toes to touch. Sit back and stretch in Asana. In some schools of yoga, this is Uttita Balasana. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. If going this, if bringing your forehead to the mat is not comfortable, you can rest on your forearms. Interlace your fingers and bring it towards your forehead. Press your palms into the mat, lift, engage your toes, lift and come up. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Now here I'm going to raise my heels all the way up and drop it down. If you want to bend your knees, you can go ahead and do that. Once again, breathe in, reach up, breathe out and down. One last time, stretch and back. Now I'm going to step my right leg between my palm, drop my left knee onto the mat. My gaze is forward. Shavasana, equestrian pose. Here you can stack your knee over your ankle and you can also take it slightly ahead. Just remember not to raise your heel off the mat. Breathe in and breathe out. For some of us, the back leg may be here. So I want you to engage your toes and slightly, as much as you can. So there's a nice opening in the front of our thighs, especially if you're going to be sitting for long hours on a chair. Breath in. I have a cow mooing outside. I don't know if you can hear. Now, drop your left palm just next to your right foot. Turn and twist. Look up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring it down. Lift the back knee and step back. Breathe in and breathe out. And we're going to rest onto our belly. Your palms come beneath your shoulder. Elbows close to your body. Bring both your feet together. Press into the palms. Inhale. Slowly come up. Bhujangasana. And as you breathe out, come down. Once again, breath in. 3 of this here. Breathe in. Only to a point, that you don't have any discomfort. If there's any discomfort, stay a little low. Stay there. Eventually, we can work our way all the way up. Moving mindfully, being aware of your breath. Close your eyes and exhale. Press your toes into the mat. Lift back to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Arms in line with your ears. Here I'm going to step my left leg between my palms. Drop your right knee. Ashwasanchalasana. Breathe in and breathe out. This time, place my right hand just next to my left foot and here, reach and twist. Use your fingertips to reach towards the ceiling. Press your left foot, your right palm into the mat. Notice the stretch all through your body. Come down. Press into the mat. You can simply come to tabletop. Press your palms. One plank position here. From here, you're in your tabletop. Engage your toes, lift and hold. Breathe in. Don't let your belly sag here. Hold and pull. 2. Knees nice and wide. Sit back to stretch. Back in Shashankasana. Slowly walk your hands. Swing your legs to one side. From here, we're going to come down to lying. Hug both our knees to our chest. Rock side to side. Drop your feet as wide as your mat, resting half your heel and your big toe onto the mat, the remaining onto the floor. Arms come to rest. Like the letter T, arms in line with your shoulder. Now slowly drop both your knees to the right side. Breathe in, back up and drop towards your left. Asana. Your knees are mimicking the windshield wiper motion of your car. Just moving in, moving out. Last time, bring it to your right and left. Release your legs, straighten them out, the corners of the mat. Hands can stay here or bring it close to you. Now as you breathe in and out, just notice the movements happening in your abdomen, in your chest. Bring both your legs together. Bring your hands onto your belly. This time, trying to push your belly towards your palm as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Om. Stay here as long as you want to. I hope you enjoyed doing this session with me. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Please share this with your family and friends. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Let's Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Namaste.